I love the Grub Fest, man. There's a lot of other entrepreneurs out here with trucks, and I love their environment. I love it here in Granada Hills. The name of the truck is it's basically based out of my mom. My daughter, my 13-year-old daughter, calls my mom Big Grandma. So the name means a lot to us. You know, it means the world to us, which is my mom. And we're a Salvadorian food. You know, it's really good. It's very home-based. It's food for the soul, Salvadorian soul food. We have very traditional drinks, traditional food, pupusas, yuca con chicharrón, plátanos, empanadas de plátano, pastelitos, very traditional stuff. I have salvi plates, rice, beans, Salvadorian cheese, your choice of meats, which is beef, chicken, shrimp, chicharrón, pork chops, filet mignon.
Everything is made to order.
Okay, so tengo una de revueltas, uno de frijoles y un orden de empanadas. ¿Esto no?
Got a little oil here. There we go.
Every time you slam that down, you should say, Mama.
Mama, Big Grandma.
We're trying more pupusas right now. It was the bomb. Yeah, it was delicious.
Maddie? Hi, Maddie. Thank you for stopping by tonight. Have a good one.
You know, my biggest goal was to get a truck. You know, and 2018 was July 1st. That's when we were in business with the truck, and it was a great turnout first day. It was an experience. It's a great feeling, you know. And my goal is to, you know, get a couple trucks and maybe a restaurant. Yeah, the dream never stops.